Hey guys, welcome to another video from Historic Military. Just wanted to do a follow-up real quick on the FN Five-seveN MK3 MRD, which is of course the mini red dot optics ready version of the Five-seveN pistol, and just wanted to look at what it comes with in the package, so sort of what you are dealing with when you actually buy the gun. It comes in a cardboard box, not a big deal. The gun is going to come in this typical FN just padded nylon case, whatever, not a big deal. Your gun is going to come in a plastic bag like this with one extra magazine and one in the gun, so a total of 2 magazines, either 10 or 20 rounds depending where you live, and it is going to come with this set of mounting plates and mounting screws and a torque wrench that you can use to mount your different optics. As you can see, each piece here is coded with a number code, and also each of the plates is marked with a 1, a 2, and a 3, and that's going to correspond to a chart, which is actually going to be in your FN booklet, and they've got a fairly decent instruction guide on how to mount your red dot. And then later on, you actually have the covers and what kind of cover and what part it corresponds to, and then again your corresponding plate with your coded number from 501 to 503, and a description of the screw that you're going to use for what part. And again, these are all coded, so they make it pretty easy to figure out what it's going to take if you want to mount that red dot on there. It goes right here, just typical 2 screws that you're going to take out, put in your new screws with the plate if that is applicable to your red dot, and you are good to go. The MRD is currently available. It is sort of the latest and greatest iteration of the Five-seveN line. They weigh about the same as all the other Five-seveNs. All of them are going to clock in right around 25 ounces. The one thing to keep in mind is, since the grip is going to be different on these, your magazines for the MRD are not going to be backwards compatible with your older models. So the magazines that this come with are not going to work in your older guns, whereas your older magazines will work in these guns. I've tested that pretty extensively, and all the examples that I could get my hands on work just fine. So I'm not saying that that works for everybody, but it definitely worked for me. The sights already mounted on the gun are adjustable night sights. They are quite nice, actually. They glow quite brightly, so that is one thing if you're in no hurry to change out and put a red dot on there. Your controls are all going to be the same. Very nice guns. If you want to spend money at that price point, for the same amount of money, you could definitely buy one of the many other competitors out there that shoot very nicely as well, and shoot the Five-seveN. Kind of the big deal is the ammo is fairly expensive, even though Fiocchi seems to be making it, American Eagle's making it, and some other brands are coming out soon or have already come out with it. So the price is dropping and being a little more accessible. But just wanted to look at what this comes with, and again, your little mounting kit that you get with your Five-seveN, and it's all nicely coded with a handy dandy little chart in your instruction manual. So read the instruction manual. And as always, thanks for watching.